think about the ECB and the problems in Europe. Can the ECB fix the crazy Italian politics? No. Think about the problems in Japan, an actual decline in the workforce, and the inefficient regulations in Japan. Can the Bank of Japan fix those things? No. And now we've got in the news very much today the trade restrictions. So can the Federal Reserve do anything about the trade restrictions just announced? For example, these restrictions will put a big tariff on imported diesel engines that are important in agricultural equipment. Can the Federal Reserve do anything about that? Well, we might do a little preaching, but not much beyond that. It's not monetary policy. So these regulatory restraints, constraints, stupidities are very damaging to the economy, and the central bank can't do anything about them.
You know, it's such a wonderful point, and sometimes we're so embedded in the forest we don't see the trees. My next retort, though, Bill, might be a bit surprising to you. If that's the case, why have these behemoths, these monsters of the financial universe in the form of central banks, taken us to such a faraway place with balance sheets that represent such high percentages of their total output of their economies if it isn't going to really address the issues that it was implemented for?
I agree with you. I think that there was a lot of misunderstanding or sort of desperation in what was done during and immediately after the financial crisis. That's where these huge balance sheets came from. The Federal Reserve is gradually working its down. That's going to disappear in time. I think it was not a response that was very useful, but that's history. So the Federal Reserve going forward seems to me to be on a pretty good track, but the Fed cannot fix these tariffs.
Yeah, no, the tariffs, you know, it's a tough one. On one hand, I'm not a globalist, but on the other hand, I like the idea of free trade, and I don't like protectionism. So the question is there a Venn diagram subset that can meet all those requirements? I'm not sure, but we'll certainly find out. This administration seems to really look at the trade deficit in a way that no other economist does.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.